Nature doesn't do lack. Have you noticed how much abundance there is around us? It's absolutely everywhere. There's trees, flowers, leaves, sand, soil, water, sky. It's all around us. Yes, things change. The seasons change. Trees become barren of leaves. But they have a trust, don't they? They have a trust that they're going to grow again. They're going to grow new leaves in the spring. Why don't we have that kind of trust? That we can go through barren times and that spring can come and new ideas, new opportunities can come our way. But sometimes we get so closed, so narrow-minded, thinking that if we don't get what we think we want straight away, we're not going to get it at all. It's not going to come to us. And so I invite you to take a look at nature and to let nature inform you of what is available, what is around, and just see how nature doesn't do lack. It just doesn't. And trees don't compare themselves with other trees. Flowers don't compare themselves. They don't say you're better than me or I'm not as good as you. Only we do that. We're the ones that are harsh and judgmental of ourselves. And so it's like we can let nature show us what's true. Show us what's true in this moment. Just in this moment. And so thank you for being here. Thank you for taking this sacred pause with me. And until next time, bye for now.